Hello viewers, hope you all are well. My name is Shushmita Shikdar. I am security analyst in Indian Cyber Security Solutions. Today I will teach you about Python list. What is list? List is a collection of data which is ordered and changeable. Lists are one of the four built-in data structure in Python. It encloses square brackets. List is order collection, so we can say that they are sequence type. In Python list, we can add new things or update or remove any items. Now let's go to programming part. Now we saw how list was created. First we take a list 1. Then we use here third bracket to enter value in list. I enter apple, banana, cherry. Double quote is mandatory. Now I want to print the list. The list was printed. Now I added new value in this list. Append function is used for adding new things. Orange was added in this list. Now I want to update this list value. List indexing was started from 0. So here banana is 1. Here I write list 1 equals to blackcurrant. So banana value was updated in blackcurrant. The output is apple, blackcurrant and cherry. The list was updated. If I want to add new thing in a specified location, I use insert function. The syntax will be see. Now in one position blackcurrant will be added. The output will be apple, blackcurrant, banana and cherry. Now if I want to remove anything, the syntax will be this. We delete anything using remove function. In this list the banana will be deleted. Now if I want to delete last item, we use pop, because pop function are help to delete last item in the list. So here the output will be apple and banana. The cherry is in the last position of list, so the cherry will be deleted. If we want to delete a specified things, we use del function. We add here del list 1 2. It means indexing 2. The cherry will be deleted. If here I put 0 in the list, the apple will be deleted. Hope you all are understand Python list. Thank you.